Hey, they got people in hospital! Who's passing first? I have one player down. Hit, hit! I'm in. Blue corner. In the woods, in the woods. Where in the woods? 20 feet of the woods? In the woods, right on the side of where we were shooting at. He's in the woods somewhere in there. Raph, are we 20 feet in front of the city? Huh? Are we 20 feet from the city or no? What? We're making a good push for one. Jeez. All right, we can take red. We just got to get to it. We can get right when you are. All right, can you guys cover down the line?
Can't go hop over this one.
Go.
Can't hop over that one.
Oh, my bad.
You're good.
Oh, don't hit, don't hit. Oh, to go.
Don't go.
You shoot, I'll move.
Okay. You guys help me give them cover.
Everybody shoot that tree line. Got it? Tree line, there's a tree laying down.
3, 2, 1.
Go!
I'm hit.
Yeah, he's on the fallen tree.
Wait.
He's on the fallen tree. You see him?
Jump boat. I think he slid right into his heart.
Yeah. Hey, he goes for there.
Una, dale. No.
You got people at top.
Oh, it's gonna be dumb.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't give a fuck. You can't spell maniac without EAC.
We want to take the three or we want to sit here? Hey, I got one in prison. Enough mulatto.
Unless they're LMG.
LMG or SMG? That wasn't an LMG, I can tell you right now. That was an M4. Hey, come in here. Come in. Come in. Yep. Stay low. Stay low. Prison window. Prison window. Window facing us. That's where I got him right now.
Can you tell what type of barrel it is?
I'm gonna go that way, around this way, and get on the other side of this wall.
You got shot.
Is that our team? Wait, what are you doing?
Friendly fire still counts.
Hey, did you hit me?
Yeah, he
Okay.
did.
Zach, just go through the... Dead man coming, dead man coming.
I don't know who threw that grenade, but goddamn.
Hey there, Airsofters. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to leave a like. We still have patches for sale as well. We have about 50 left on our Etsy. Get them while they are still here. Also, come join our Discord as well, as we do weekly updates there about when our next videos and everything else come out. So, can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like button.